Hello, my name is Amal Chandropal. I am from Dhaka. Recently, I have completed my BSc in nursing.
And I have got the healthcare skills to be an asset to your organization. I am creative with non-stop healthcare initiatives and ideas. I am skillful, flexible, reliable, and love new challenges.
Besides, I also have a registered nurse certificate in Bangladesh Nursing Science and Midwifery Council. In my spare time, I like to listen music, reading book, gardening, etc. But first, let's get to work healthcare. My ambition is to contribute to the best healthcare team. So if you're looking for an impassioned colleagues, I am the one. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.